friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking turkey wings in the air fryer. So what we need is turkey wings, seasonings. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you like. And I'll also use a non-stick cooking spray for easier cleanup, just so turkey doesn't get stuck to the air fryer basket. So let me take out the air fryer basket and spray it with a non-stick spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil, or you can omit the spray if you like. It will just make it harder to clean the air fryer. And now I'm going to season the turkey wings. So I'm just using one wing because that's all it fits in my air fryer. If you have a bigger air fryer, you can add 2 wings if they fit. And cooking temperature and time would be the same for 2. So now I'll just season it. Then you can rub it with seasonings to distribute it evenly. And now I will flip it over and season the other side. So now, once you season the turkey wing, I'm going to put it in the air fryer basket. And now I'll put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip the wing over so it cooks evenly. And put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the turkey wing. Look at that, perfectly cooked, so nicely brown skin. It looks amazing. Now I recommend measuring the internal temperature, the thickest part, just to make sure it's cooked through. So it should be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit for the turkey. It's fully cooked. So if yours is not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. Now let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look at this wing. It looks amazing. And the skin looks so crispy. Air fryer is perfect for cooking turkey wings. Now let me try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Cut a piece. See, it's fully cooked. It tastes amazing. Super tender meat and crispy skin. Perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!